Hey Tech family, welcome back to Think Techs. I'm your host, Isaac Benjamin, and today I'm walking you through a powerful list that every creator, designer, or digital dreamer will want to hear. In a world where visuals are everything, being able to create stunning images using just your imagination is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. And here's the best part. You don't need expensive software, a powerful PC, or even a camera. All you need is the right AI tool. So in this video, we're counting down the top 5 free AI image generators for 2025, and I'm not just giving you the names. I'm showing you how to access them, log in, and start generating beautiful visuals step by step. Let's go. Number 5. Leonardo. Leonardo AI is one of the most creative and visually advanced tools you'll find today. To get started, just head to leonardo.ai, click Launch App and sign up for a free account. You'll receive free tokens daily which you can use to generate high-quality images. Once you're inside, simply go to AI Image Generation, type your prompt. Something like a majestic lion made of stars floating in space. Select your style, canvas, size, and hit Generate. The results? Breathtaking. Whether you're creating game art, story visuals, or YouTube thumbnails, Leonardo gives you rich, detailed results that feel almost hand-painted. And yes, you can tweak it, download it, and build an entire gallery without paying a cent. Number 4. Piclumen.com. Piclumen is your personal AI reimagination studio. Go to piclumen.com, sign up, and then choose either text-to-image or image-to-image. The magic here is that you can upload an existing image, like a portrait or product shot, and describe how you want it to look. So imagine taking a selfie and turning it into a digital painting with golden light pouring from the sky. That's the level of creativity you get. You choose the style model, like Flux or Reality, and control your image with sliders for detail, ratio, and even negative prompts to keep out unwanted features. It's flexible, intuitive, and a hidden gem in the AI art world. Number 3. Kling AI. Kling AI is still flying under the radar, but trust me, it's a tool you want to keep your eye on. Just go to klingai.com or download the Kling AI app on Android. Create a free account and open the image generation panel. Type a prompt like a warrior standing in glowing desert armor under a purple sky, adjust the settings for your desired style, and hit Generate. Within seconds, you'll have beautiful results with zero setup, especially perfect for mobile users. Whether you're designing characters, futuristic cityscapes, or AI art for social media, Kling AI is fast, clean in, and creative. Number 2. Dreamina by CapCut. If you're a CapCut user, this one's already built into your creative world. Visit dreamina.capcut.com or open the CapCut desktop app, then log in with TikTok, CapCut, or Google. Look for the AI generator inside the app. It's called Dreamina. Now this tool gives you two options. 1. Create images from text, where you just type what you want. 2. Upload an image and paint out areas you want to change. Want to remove the background, change clothes, or add a sunset in the background? Just brush, describe, and click Generate. Dreamina is powerful, especially for creators who want fast edits, unique poster designs, or AI-assisted photo corrections without leaving their video editing workflow. Number 1. Google Image FX. At the top of our list is none other than Google's own AI image generator, Image FX. All you need to do is go to labs.google/fx, scroll down to ImageFX, and log in with your Gmail. No extra sign-up, no hidden paywall. Write a prompt, like a futuristic African city built into a mountain with solar towers and waterfalls. Click Generate and you'll get 4 beautiful interpretations in less than a minute. This tool is backed by Google's Imagen model, meaning the quality, realism, and detail are unmatched. And it's incredibly beginner-friendly. No watermarks, no confusion, just clean quality output. So let me ask you, what would you create if all you needed was a sentence? These 5 tools, Leonardo, Piclumen, Kling, Dreamina, and Google Image FX, give you that power, and they're all free. Whether you're building a brand, crafting digital stories, or just want to explore your imagination, now is the time to try these platforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, telling me which of these tools are you going to try first. I'm Isaac Benjamin from ThinkTex, and this is just the beginning of what we're building here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.